Have you ever stopped to ponder the vital role that cloud security plays in our tech-driven world? As we increasingly store our data in the cloud, the specter of cyber threats looms larger. The digital age demands robust security measures to safeguard our precious information. Enter AWS Identity, Access and Management, a powerful tool designed to counter these challenges. That's why understanding and utilizing tools like AWS Identity, Access and Management is no longer an option, but a necessity. So what exactly is AWS Identity Access and Management, and how does it work? Well, let's delve into that. AWS Identity Access and Management, often abbreviated to IAM, is a web service that helps you securely control access to AWS resources. It's essentially the bouncer at the door of your AWS club, checking IDs and deciding who gets in. IAM lets you create and manage AWS users within your organization and assign them to groups with specified permissions. This means you can grant or deny access to particular AWS resources, giving you a high level of control over who can do what. For instance, you might have a group of developers who need access to certain databases, but not the ability to shut down servers. In essence, AWS Identity Access and Management is your gatekeeper, controlling who can walk through your AWS door and what they can do once they're in. Now that we understand what AWS Identity Access and Management is, how do we go about using it? First things first, sign in to the AWS Management Console. Once you're in, navigate to the IAM dashboard. Here you'll want to create a group. Let's name it Admins for simplicity. After creating your group, the next step is attaching a policy to it. This policy will define what actions group members can perform. AWS provides a catalog of pre-built policies, but you can also create your own for more specific needs. Now it's time to add users to your admins group. Go back to the IAM dashboard, click on Users, and then Add User. Choose a username, select AWS Management Console Access, set a password, and finally, add the user to your admins group. The last step is to test the permissions. Sign in as the new user and try performing an action that's allowed by the policy. And just like that, you've successfully set up and used AWS Identity Access and Management. So, to quickly recap what we've covered today, we delved into the significance of cloud security, highlighting the pivotal role of AWS Identity Access and Management in maintaining that security. We broke down how to effectively utilize AWS Identity Access and Management, step by step, ensuring you're well equipped to protect your cloud-based assets. Remember, in this digital age, securing your cloud is not just about protecting data, but also about safeguarding your peace of mind.